Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video I'm going to discuss some of the practice exercises in our interactive module for grade 10, quarter 1, week 5, which is all about arithmetic and geometric sequence. So, let's start! Problem number 2. The sum of infinite terms of a geometric progression is 20, and the sum of the squares of its terms is 50. Find the series. Okay, so we have here an infinite geometric series, okay, which is equal to 20. So, in other words, if my first term is a, okay, and then I'm going to multiply this by a certain number r, so the next term will become ar, followed by ar squared, and so on. So, since infinite geometric series yan, I can have this equation that's equal to 20. Right? So, note that yung formula lang infinite geometric series is actually equal to the first term over 1 minus the common ratio, which is r. Right? ar over a is actually equal to r, and that's your common ratio. Okay? So, which is equal to 20. So, this will be our first equation. Now, may na-mention sa problem, okay, second condition, the sum of the squares of its term is equal to 50. So, pag in-square ko daw to, okay, which a squared, plus square nito, which is ar to be squared, alright, plus ar squared, okay, and so on, that's equal to 50. Okay? So, likewise, yung formula niyan is equal to the first term, which is a squared, over 1 minus, ano yung common ratio nito? Note that this is a squared, r squared, over a squared. The quotient is r squared, which is our common ratio. See that? So, now, I'm going to work on this second equation. So, observe nyo mabuti. So, that will be 50 over a squared over 1 minus r squared. Note that yung a squared is actually a times a, right? Tama? Then, yung denominator ko is difference of two squares, which you can rewrite it as 1 minus r times 1 plus r. Agree? Which is product of sum and difference of two terms. Tama? Kasi difference of two squares. So, observe, this one here, okay, this one here is actually equal to 20. So, in other words, meron kang 50 equals 20 a over 1 plus r. Right? Tama? Or, 5 over 2, divide ko ng 20 tong 50, so 5 over 2, a over 1 plus r. Okay? Solve ko in terms of r, so that will be a equals 5 over 2 times 1 plus r. Okay? See that? Then, so since we're after for the series, so dapat may value ka ng first, may first term ka, may common ratio ka, makuha natin yung series that will satisfy the two conditions. So, I have here a in terms of r. I'm going to substitute it on the first equation. Okay, on the first equation. So, that will be, instead of a, I'm going to replace it by, okay, I'm going to replace it by 5 over 2, 1 plus r, all over 1 minus r equals 20. See that? Then that's it. Cross multiplications, I'm going to have 5 halves, 1 plus r equals 20 times 1 minus r. And that's it. So, cross multiply, this one will become 40 over 5. That will become 8. Right? 8 times 1 minus r, that will be 8r. See that? Then, combine like terms, so magkakaroon tayo ng r equals, this one will become 8 minus 1, 7. Alright? This one will become r plus 8r, that will become 9. So, therefore, my common ratio is 7 over 9. Okay, so meron na akong common ratio. Alright? See that? Meron na akong common ratio na 7 over 9. Kailangan ko makuha yung a. Alright, either substitute ko sa dito or sa first equation. either any of the two, okay lang. So, that is, dito ko na lang substitute. So, para makuha yung A, cross-multiply ko yan, 1 minus R. Okay, 1 minus R. So, that is 20 times 1 minus 7 over 9. See that? So, therefore, from here, makukuha ng A. 1 minus 7 over 9 is actually 2 over 9, right? 2 over 9. So that is 20 times 2 over 9. That's actually equal to 40 over 9. There you go. So, meron na akong first term. So, may first term na ako, meron na akong common ratio. From there, makukuha mo na yung series na kailangan natin. Okay, so let's do it. So, my first term is 40 over 9. Okay, multiply ko siya ng 7 over 9. So, 40 times 7 is 280, right? 9 times 9, so that will become 81. Okay, next. So, 280 times 7, so that will become 6. Okay, 14 plus 5, so 19. So, that's 1,960 over 81 times 9, that's 729. And so on. Okay, so therefore, this is the required series that will satisfy the two conditions. Okay?